And welcome to another Mafdel product bite. Positivebelt is a maintenance-free conveyor belt that doesn't need to be tracked or tensioned. It has a smooth, scraper-friendly surface that resists cuts and abrasion. Aggressive drive teeth ensure a deep, trouble-free engagement. Positivebelt is available in widths of up to 1 meter wide. The rows of integral molded teeth are spaced at 200 mm across the belt. This means that there is an even pull on the belt, which keeps the belt flat throughout its lifetime. Positivebelt has FDA and EU food approval and can be joined with stainless or molded plastic fasteners, or a simple butt join. Positivebelt can be troughed or fitted with a range of cleats and walls.